Anyway, remember, till next time, women don't find you handsome. They should at least find you handy. When you're married, like a lot of us are, you notice that wives make lists. Grocery lists, Christmas card lists, people who owe us a party, people we owe a party to, people who will never be invited to darken our doorway again, or as she also refers to them, your friends. But the scary list is the one she has for you. You know what I'm talking about. That list of odd jobs, big and small, for you to do around the house. Now it's called a list, but it doesn't actually exist on paper. She's way too smart for that. She keeps that list in her head. That way she can add to it without you noticing. And you, sir, will never be finished. You know what? That's a good thing. Speaking on behalf of all men, we're not at our best when we have nothing to do. Your wife knows that. That's why she makes this list. So let's be honest. We're better off married and busy than single and listless. Remember, I'm pulling for you. We're all in this together. Bow your heads for the man's prayer. I'm a man, but I can change if I have to, I guess.